two-factor authentication 2FA as an extra layer of security to your Wells Fargo account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Wells Fargo website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Access security settings. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication. In the security settings, find the option for two-factor authentication. Click on it to start the setup process. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. Select your preferred method for receiving authentication codes such as by text message or email. Enter the necessary information to set it up. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After selecting your method, follow the prompts to verify your choice. Once verified, ensure you save your changes to activate two-factor authentication. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Wells Fargo account with two-factor authentication. Remember to keep your contact information updated to ensure you receive authentication codes without issues.